'Cause I wanna try.
Hello. How can I help you?
Oh, hi. I am looking for an engagement ring.
An engagement ring? No way. He did not just say an engagement ring, did he?
Yes, an engagement ring.
But who is he buying the ring for? It can't be for Summer. They broke up. So the only logical person it could be for is me. Oh my goodness! I'm getting engaged! Yes!
What is going on out there?
Uh-oh. Wow. This is all so sudden. Well, naturally, we'll just have to have a long engagement. I will need at least 3 years to plan this wedding. Of course, we'll be inviting Queen Elsa because everyone knows Queen Elsa and I are like total besties.
How about this one?
Great. I'll ring it up.
Ring it up! That is funny! Because it's a ring!
Okay.
Sorry. I know someone who would have found that very funny. Do you take cash?
Here's your ring, sir.
Thank you.
And good luck on your proposal.
Thank you. And have a very nice day.
He's coming. I can't let him see me like this. I need to go home and change into something worthy of a proposal.
Well, that won't do. The peacekeepers are boarding the ship.
Peacekeepers? That's a good thing, right?
Lieutenant, don't let the name fool you. We need to go to war now.
But Captain, the dilithium crystals have been depleted, which means our only hope is the Master.
Not the Master.
It's our only choice.
Fine. Make it so.
The Force.
Aww, this is so derivative. I need an original idea.
Correct.
You know what, Dargo? I've had about enough of you. Always got something to say. You can keep your little opinions to yourself. Now, where was I? I am trying to write a book here.
Wasting time you are.
Do you want to go back to that other dimension? I will throw you through a wormhole.
Too weak. You are.
Kelly, I need help with this book. All Dargo does is criticize me.
Sorry, I can't help you, Sommer. I have a meeting with my professor. Figure it out.
Great. Just walk away. I can't believe this. I decide to write a book, and no one wants to help me.
Only your problem this is.
Do you want to sit in the rain? I'll put you in the rain.
Raining it is not. 70 degrees it is. Nice day. On a walk we should go.
Dargo, we can't go on a walk right now. We have to write a book.
Give up. Let's see what this girl is up to. Hello, Sommer.
Dargo, quick, hide.
Fine. But then on a walk, we will go.
Yeah. Okay, come on in, Caroline.
And Jazz.
What's up, y'all?
Cali said you could use a little help writing your book.
Aw, Kelly does care.
Not really. Who said that?
Oh, I was watching, YouTube, The Darby Show. Have you heard of it? But anyway, y'all have ideas for my book?
I have a fantastic idea.
What am I gonna do today? I guess I can work on my needlepoint.
Sommer, make haste. The Duke has come for tea.
How delightful. I must tell the cook to prepare more biscuits. Your Grace, may I ask the reason for this visit?
Lady Sommer, I am sure by now you can guess my intentions. Will you do me the honor of becoming my...
Okay, that's it. I see where this is going, and no.
Sommer, you can be such a killjoy. Okay, it's my turn, and you're gonna love it. Imagine this. Hello, dear. Would you like a cookie?
Wow, thanks. I've never had a dragon cookie before. This looks delicious. Uh-oh. green! I love the color green! Hello, butterfly. I want to fly too.
All you have to do is think the happy thoughts.
Wow! I'm flying!
What in the world was that?
Okay, Jazz, no more sugar. Never take food from strangers. But you know what? That might not be half bad.
You have got to be kidding. Wait, what time is it? It's around 1.
Aw, man, I'm gonna be late. I'm supposed to be meeting Damon for coffee.
You mean a coffee date? What?
It's not a date. Can't two friends just meet for coffee?
Yeah, if y'all were just friends.
Hey, don't make it weird. Now y'all gotta go. I gotta get ready.
Are you gonna get dressed up?
No, if you must know. I'm gonna brush my teeth and put on some deodorant.
And perfume?
Goodbye, Caroline.
Fine. Have fun on your date. It's not a date. Walk now.
Fine, but you have to stay in the bag. And you have to stay quiet. Okay?
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Alex?
Who are you talking to, weirdo?
No one? Why are you wearing a wedding dress?
None of your business.
Okay.
That sounds like Dargo, right?
You don't even know the half of it.
But I can't believe how many times you were almost eaten by that monster.
Nothing was gonna stand between me and that cup.
Good times.
Good times? We were fighting for our lives on a daily basis.
True. But we made it back. And now we are getting ready for exams.
Yeah. In other words, we are still fighting for our lives.
True.
And now I'm trying to write this book. As if I don't already have enough to do with classes.
Oh, really? What's it about?
Your guess is as good as mine. I'm suffering from a major case of writer's block.
Dargo's not giving you any help?
Definitely not.
Well, what about this? Summer, look out! Summer, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. But Damon, I saw you. You were so far away. How did you get there so fast?
Because I'm a vampire.
I'm thinking my main character is going to be doing more of the saving rather than being the one who's being saved.
All right, I'm sorry. It was just an idea. Why don't you just write about what you know? I mean, you are part alien, and you walk around with a baby monster in your bag. If that's not great material, I don't know what is.
You're right. I could just write my whole book about Grandma, Sakar, traveling to other dimensions.
Shh. Hold on, Summer.
Yes, I told my niece I was in town just to say hi. But I'm really here investigating some possible alien activity.
Do you know that lady over there?
Yeah, that's Caroline's aunt. She's an FBI agent.
You better go. I just heard her say she's in town investigating aliens.
Oh, wow. Yeah, you're right. Sorry to cut this short, but I'll see you around. Thanks for the coffee. It's a text from Damon. Hey, do you want to go on a real date tomorrow? Or whenever?
A date?
Summer, I am so glad to see you. We need to talk.
Not now, Nigel. This is not a good time.
Summer, it is important.
A ring? Seriously. To be continued on the next Summer in Cali.
Did y'all know there was a kitchen backstage? I just made croissants.
Good job, Summer. Head over to wardrobe and change for the next scene. Okay. Wow. This is a pretty cool set. Is it just a picture? Oh, wow. That is so cool.
What's up?
Uh-oh. Not now, Nigel.
But Summer, it's important.
Cut! Can we get hair and makeup over here? Summer has some major flyaways. Don't worry, I'm on it. I got the juice. From Kenny Doll 2017. We just need a few sprays. Then just brush it. And we're good to go. Achoo! Sorry, pollen.
Fresh cinnamon rolls. Anyone? Fine. Make it so.
Wow, you look just like Patrick Stewart. They did a great job over there in makeup.
Yeah, thanks.
You're welcome. But when you deliver that line, I'm gonna need your voice to be just a little bit deeper. Can you give it a try?
Yeah, sure. Fine. Make it so.
Okay, that was a great try. Cameraman,
Yo, what's up?
I was wondering if you could do a voiceover for me. So just say, fine, make it so, in like a really deep voice, okay?
Fine. Make it so. Like that?
Perfect. Problem solved. We're gonna need a voiceover.
My dearest Summer, will you do me the honor of becoming my lab partner?
Yes, I will. And we will share notes forever.
As long as they are typed and not handwritten.
Cut. That is not the line.
Scones? Who likes scones? Huh?
Sommer.